Hello everybody, my name is Claudia Hilar, and this is my first time making a video, but I'm making it because I want to share with you this experience I have with HTML and a web page. So what you're seeing in this moment, well, this is my name, my Claudia Hilar, architect. I'm an architect, photographer, and Salvadorian. So I have never used HTML before, and even in this morning I didn't know anything about HTML. So and by this time at night, of course, I have made this little web page that it has my name, and it has a project tab and a contact tab. So I need this page to show some projects I'm gonna be doing these next weeks. So I made this with a description. Here it's gonna have a description about and everything. And so I did this, find a project tab, and then little images that show everything I'm gonna be doing this next 18 weeks. So I'm gonna share with you how I made this. A friend recommended me Sublime Text program, that it is like a text editor, like a notepad, but you can use it to coding anything, not just HTML. So you can download it in sublimetext.com. Here it is. It's so easy and it's free. This is what you're going to have. You could mark here that you're gonna be working with HTML. So if I write here HTML tab, automatically you can see here like a web page format, like head, title, and body. So I'm gonna use the title and I'm gonna write my name. Then also, because I have learned little things about this, I'm also gonna try putting a head here, so you can see automatically it can show you the different options you have. Let's see, with a B, the different possibilities. So I'm making a head one. Hi there. Then I'm closing page one, those. Okay, and now in the body I'm going to write something too, like hello everybody. Okay, so I'm also ending this. Okay, so that's it. And now I'm gonna see what I have done just by making this file, save as, desktop. Hi there, save. Yes, I already have a hi there. So I'm opening it now. It's here, you can see it. It opens in a new tab in my Google Chrome. This program is going to be useful if we want to download maybe a template, and you want to be working with that template. You can download it and you can open the files in here. So every time you open it, you can see here maybe the HTML, and here you can see the CSS and the other things people use to make really pro web pages. But without knowing anything about HTML, you can't use these tags or things. I don't know, because you don't know what they mean or what they meant. So this is really useful, but not enough. So I'm going to show you this page called Fabacademy, that it's the page that taught me for this moment everything I know for today. The web page is called Fabacademy. So this is basically what you're gonna see if you're first timer in Fabacademy, or maybe this. Okay, so I don't wanna subscribe yet because I don't know you. So, but I want to learn to code a website. Okay, so when you open this, make a new website, it shows you the start tab, and then it shows you how many students have taken this, and then how much it's gonna take you, and an estimated time, and then what you required, what your technical level has to be. So I'm a beginner, so it's okay for me. This is what you're basically gonna do with this tutorial, and what you learn, and then down here it tells you like some other tutorials, sub-tutorials about this one, about making a website. There's some other options, so I don't know nothing, so I'm gonna just start. So this is the first page. If you can see it, it's pretty friendly. You have the description side here and like an image side here, so everything that says here is gonna be showing here. You just have to follow the instructions. So tap the button to see what happens when you add in HTML and CSS. So HTML, only HTML is showing me this, like flat text and images. So if I click HTML and CSS, it's like this. It's a pretty big difference. So I find this tutorial pretty useful because I had to do my web page, and I didn't want it to look like this, of course. So if you start the test, you're gonna okay, got it, continue, next step, HTML elements, so it can show you everything. Got it. Hidden elements. Okay. Oh, this is so good for me because I don't understand if it's only text. I need to see like images like this. So it's been pretty useful for me. So and also it's not just just reading and seeing images. Also you have to fill coding in HTML. So here it says like H1 element for find a place to save. I have to change this to this is the main hidden. So I can just copy and paste. Copy and pasting. This is the main hidden, so I can see the change over here. I got it. P where opening tag, closing tag. Okay, so try it out. You try it, and it's pretty simple. So this could take you a long or a short time, but it depends upon you. So you can see here what's it all about, and it's locked because I haven't passed through this one. So you can see here, okay. So after this, you have to sign up, and then something like this is why it's going to appear. Again, you have to follow the instructions here. So, and you have to be writing the code in here, and you can see what's happening in here in this side. So it's been pretty easy for me. If you can see in the, by this time, I have also, now I know how HTML works and also CSS because I took the other one, the other tutorial. So okay, now I know the basics. So if I have to make this web page in 1 week, I'm not going to be like, oh my gosh, trying to know how to do what I want to do. So I just search for websites that had like templates. You can see this one was my favorite one. It's called HTML5app.net. So you can see the heading. So it's fully responsive. It's built on integrated HTML5 and CSS3. It's super customizable and also 100% free under the Creative Commons license. So I really like this because it's free, it's from Creative Commons and everything. So if you can see the different web pages that you can download, like here's the download, you can see the live demo. Let's see this one. So you can see it's beautiful. It has pretty colors, it's clear, and I really like this one. So up here you can see you can see it on a tablet, the other side in a tablet or a mobile phone like this. So I really like this page. In all of the pages you can download here the HTML. So I decided to use, I really like everyone, so I decided to use this one, Astral. So you download it like this. You can follow if you want to. When you have downloaded the zip, you just take it into your desktop, when you have downloaded the zip, you just take it to your desktop, and I like to extract to a file. So you can see here all the information you need. You have a license, a readme, index, images, fonts, CSS, and JavaScript. So I know nothing about JavaScript yet, but with those tutorials I show you in Codecademy, I know a little about JavaScript. So you can open the index here, so you can see what you have. Double click it, and then you can see, okay, this is the web page. It has these different icons. It doesn't have any picture or anything, and it has a contact. So this really works for me now. So I really like everything about this web page. So the other program I'm using is Dreamweaver, because as an architect and also as a photographer, I've used Photoshop. So I thought this was gonna be easy. At first it wasn't easy, and then I saw a little tutorial about how to use Dreamweaver and how things are done in here, and it's been pretty easy. So now you can see this is my work, like making with the little I learned with Codecademy, and this and the template I downloaded. This is what I have done. I'm gonna show you here in Google Chrome. Okay, so this is what I have. I changed a little the background. I've been playing with my Photoshop. You can see here, this is the background, and so I've been playing with different colors like this. So for the moment I left this color like this. So, and then in the projects page I have changed the images because I haven't done anything of this. And in the future, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the picture and put a new picture representing the project I'm making this week, and this is what it's going to show. So long, this is what I have done. Maybe like the pictures was the easiest thing, because you in your file, in your folder 5, you already have the images in here. So this is me, the image in the home page in here. This is the image me. So you could easily take any picture you want and just change the file, but you have to be certain that it has to have the same dimension. So I'm opening this one, open with Photoshop, Okay, I'm learning templates. Here it is. So it was as easy as taking the picture, saying something hi there again. So like this. And now I'm saving it in the same folder like this. This is the image. I'm just going to replace it. Save. Okay. Okay. And then down, like I'm gonna watch. This is the web page. I'm just gonna refresh. And now you can see the hi there. See, it was so freaking easy. But well, now I found it easy. Before it wasn't. But maybe. But well, I guess that's it for this video. This is my first video ever like this, like talking to the computer and trying to show something that I have just learned. So I hope it has been useful for you, and if it has, you can comment below the video, so I want to know what you think about it, and if you even have different recommendations for me, because I'm a first timer. I'll be really grateful to read you. So that's it. So goodbye.